Ever wondered how I get my avatar doing all these smooth, stunning actions while I'm talking effortlessly and in sync? Well, today I'm spilling the tea on the secret weapon behind it all, FlexClip. In this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step breakdown on how to create jaw-dropping avatar animations using FlexClip, even if you're a total beginner. Yes, it's that easy. This is the exact tool I use to make my videos more lively, professional, and relatable, and if I can do it, you absolutely can too. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I share tools and tricks like this every week to help you level up your content game. So tell me what's really stopping you from trying this out. Let's dive in.